welcome to my Mommy's Mini Me. For today's video, I will be doing my mustache. I got a lot of hair over here. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification icon so you won't miss any of my videos. Okay guys, I have hair over here. I don't know if you can see it very good. I got hair, and also I need to shave that. I'm not into waxing. I know every time, or even plucking, it hurts too. So what I'm gonna show you is this Epilator. Yeah, I have this for years now, and I've been using this a lot. Every time I shave or shave my armpit, like that. So I already did my armpit. Sorry guys. Maybe next time. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you how I shave my mustache. It's not very much. I don't know if you can see the hair. I only shave this like once a month, and there's not this one really kind of dig into the roots, and it's not thick hair when it grows. It's a kind of a fine hair, and so I didn't shave it because I'm gonna be doing this video to show you guys how I shave my mustache. But I shave my mustache or mustache, what is it? I'm a guy. But anyway, I shave my hair after I shower, because you don't want any products on your face when you shave. But I already took a shower, so I'm ready for that. And so let's get started. I'm gonna plug it in, and okay, sorry for my hair. Let's start. Let's turn this on, and that is stop, or stop, or, and that one is the middle, and this one is really the highest. I'm not gonna use that one. It looks kind of intimidating, guys, because you think that it really hurts. Yes, at first, when I first used this one, yes, it does hurt because you're not used to it. Now I shave a lot. Used to shave a lot, and then for like 2 or 3 days there's hair coming out, But this one I only use this like twice a month, and for this one I only use like once a month. So it looks intimidating, but it really works. If you get used to using this one, it doesn't hurt anymore. This is how I do it. See, I got hair here. That one. It does hurt a little bit. So yeah, it does hurt, guys, but not really like hurt, you know what I mean. It does hurt. You really need to be careful not to pinch your skin. Okay guys, that's it. I don't know if you can see, but no hair. So that's that. I don't wax, and I haven't tried waxing, so you can use this over here mustache, or your underarm, or if you have hair on your arm, you can just use it too. So it depends on where you use it, but you can't use it down there because it does hurt. But I haven't tried that. I don't want to try it anyways. But so when I clean this one, I just have to take this thing off. I know there's some hair over here. There's some hair. And I just need a cotton, you know, like this Q-tips, and then soak this with alcohol. There's also a brush, but I can't find the brush. Soak it with this alcohol, and here. Oh, that's a lot. I can't find the brush. I think I lost it somewhere. I lost it. So, but anyways, this is how I do it. This one is soaking, but yeah. All I do is just run it like that until the hair, you know, comes off. And then I just kind of dig it in there, so, you know, it will sanitize everything. So you have to sanitize it with this alcohol. This is how I do it, guys, but it depends on how you do it too. It should be like the brush, but I can't find a brush. The brush with this. And I have to clean this one too with the alcohol. Just like that, and then put it back. And then the top also, you gotta put this back over here like that. So and I've been liking it, and but it does hurt, but yeah, like I said, it's just a matter of getting used to it, because, you know, I'm used to it already. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment down below, like, share. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.